What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you exactly how I'm able to run multiple Facebook profiles, multiple Facebook accounts. As you can see over here, we have this account running with this profile over here. We have this account running over here. On another profile, we have another profile over here, and all of that while my personal profile, as you can see over here, is permanently restricted and banned. So I'm not able to use it to run ads anymore, but I'm still able to run all of these accounts from the same computer, as you can see over here. And in this video, I want to show you exactly step by step how I'm doing it. In my previous video, I covered like the game plan, the strategy of how I'm doing it. But in this video, I want to take you step by step and show you how I manage all this process. Just before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these videos. The first thing that we will need is going to be advertising access reinstated accounts. So these are AAR profiles. This is what I call them. So essentially, these are accounts that got restricted and then got reinstated by Facebook. And so far, in my opinion and from my own experience, these are the best accounts to run ads with. And these are the exact accounts that I'm using. Now, in terms of how to find and purchase these accounts, I covered all of that in my previous video. So if you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it to watch it so you will understand exactly what we are going to do here. So essentially, whenever you're going to get the account from that supplier, it's going to look something like that, which first you will have the username or email address and then a password. This is the Facebook login. Then you have the two-factor authentication, you have the email address and a password. That's most of the suppliers how they deliver you the accounts. So the next thing that we'll need is a multi-login browser. So it's a browser that essentially allows you to open multiple browsers from the same computer. Now you can go ahead and use just different browsers like Safari or Firefox. However, the problem is that they are not the best to use for advertising. There are many glitches or bugs whenever you log into the Facebook Ads Manager, and there are many more other benefits of using an undetected browser or multi-login browser, which we'll touch in just in a second. So the one that I'm using called AdsPower, you have more popular solutions like Multilogin and Go Login. However, if you will take a look at their pricing, then you can see that it's not cheap. This one, Multilogin starts from 100 euros per month and Go Login starts from 50 bucks a month. So both of them give you a restriction of 100 profiles. However, if you're just like myself that you need just a couple accounts to work with, 100 profiles, that's too much and you don't really going to use that. So this is why I'm actually using AdsPower, and in my opinion it's very easy and simple to use, and that's what I'm looking for. If we'll have a look at the pricing section, you can see that their monthly pricing starts from 9 bucks a month, and you can actually have a free trial or free account with them of up to 2 profiles. I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description for a free account that you will be able to manage up to 2 profiles. Make sure to go ahead and use the link in the description if you want to support the channel, but if not, just go to adspower.com. So currently I'm using this plan, which is 9 bucks a month, and it allows you to manage up to 10 profiles. And if you are like myself and you don't really need to manage hundreds of accounts, this in my opinion is going to be the best option for you. So after you register a free account with them, make sure to download their app to your computer. So this is how the app is going to look. Now there are different things like automations, and there are so many advanced tools that you can do and use with AdsPower for. However, to make it simple, I'm just going to touch on this section of the profile section, which is what I'm using this tool for. So as you can see over here, there will be a folder over here called profiles, and this is going to list all the different profiles that you have inside this AdsPower account. You can have multiple browsers opened at the same time. And another feature that I like about AdsPower, that because you are using an app, you can download this app to another device. Let's say you have a laptop, you just log in with the same user that you have, and then you already have all the profiles listed over here. This is very helpful for myself when I go abroad and I still need to be able to log into these profiles and manage the ads. Then I just log into the app and boom, I can just open all the profiles that I need. So let me go ahead and show you step by step how to create your first profile on AdsPower. So what you need to do is to click on a new profile. Then you need to give it a name. I usually just use the profile name, so I will don't know which profile is it. So let's just type in for the test purpose such a test. Over here you can select a group. So let's say if you have active accounts, disabled accounts, so you can create different groups as well as creating different tags. Now in this section of the browser, this is basically AdsPower gives you the option of using the Sun browser or Flower browser. Now the main difference between them is Sun browser is working on the Chrome system and Flower browser is working on Firefox Mozilla system. Now I personally recommend you, if you're going to run ads like myself, use the Sun browser because it works on the Chrome system, and this is by far the best one to use for Facebook ads. The second thing that we have is operation system. So AdsPower actually allows you to create a browser with a different operation system. So if you don't know, these sites like Facebook, eBay, Amazon, they not only track in your IP address, but they also track the browser and the device that you are using in your computer. So if you really run like hundreds of accounts or really a lot of accounts, you can play around with it and select different operation systems to different browsers. But just to make it simple, if you only have a few of them, just go ahead and select the default one, which is the one that matches to your operation system. In my case, it's going to be Mac OS. The user agent, just keep it as it is. Another cool feature that they give you is using a cookie. So let's say you used a different multi-login browser software and you want to import those browsers. AdsPower allows you to upload those cookies and the browsing history of this profile. So this way you will have kind of stronger fingerprint. The next we have is going to be proxy. So this is also a very helpful, and I do use this feature a little bit. So essentially what this allows you is to create different IP addresses for every single browser and profile that you are using. Now, unless you run like really dozens and hundreds of accounts, you don't need to have too many IP addresses. I would suggest using up to 5 accounts under the same IP address. So the proxy service that I'm using is called Proxy 6, and the proxy itself that I'm using is going to be this IPv4 proxy. I will leave a link down in the description for 5% discount if you want to save a little bit and again support the channel. Make sure to use that link in the description. So if you would like to use a proxy, then all you will have to do is to switch over here from the proxy type from no proxy to, usually with proxy 6 is going to be HTTP, but for the simplicity of this video we're going to leave it on the local network, which is my local IP address. Next we'll have to select over here our platform, so you just can go ahead and select facebook.com, and over here you want to type in the username and the password, which are the login information of your Facebook profile. So let's go ahead and do it really quick and let's hit OK. And as you can see, the new profile has been created. So let's go ahead and click on open and open it, and boom, as you can see over here, the account is open. And another cool thing that I do like about AdsPower is whenever you open a new browser, it actually gives you the information of the IP address, the time zone, all those things that are like the details about that browser. And over here you see that it already opened facebook.com and it already inserted our login information, so we can just go ahead and click on login. Now Facebook usually will ask us for a 2-factor authentication whenever we log in from a new browser. So let's go ahead and do it really quick. We're going to select our 2FA code over here, and you want to go to 2FA.live and just go ahead and paste the code over here. Copy this code, go back to Facebook, paste it over here, submit code, click on save browser and continue, and voila, as you can see over here, I'm logged in to this profile without any problems. And this is exactly how I'm running, managing and operating multiple Facebook accounts and profiles from the same computer. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, peace.